Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This will be episode 1 of a series I'm going to call Building a Bushcraft Basecamp. I've just been walking here for about 20 minutes and been passing different like types of forest. Just arriving to this spot, which is a bit younger forest, less widowmakers. So I'm going to walk around, see what I can use to build a shelter. I'm looking for 2 trees that are about 12 foot in distance. I want to build a double lean-to. So today is just finding a location and then starting on a structure. Just gonna take my snowshoes off so I can measure with my feet in between the trees, find a good spot. I want to build a semi-permanent camp where I can actually eventually put a wood stove in and have it closed up on the 4 sides. That's the plan. Alright, let's see what we got for trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like a good spot. I got 11 feet between those 2 trees. So I'll lash some poles on each side. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So I'm building a Bushcraft Basecamp. Started working on it. Actually came here 2 days ago just to scout out an area, snowshoed, and then started the shelter. All I got done so far though is I only put these 2 ridge poles, and then I want to build a lean-to, actually a double lean-to on these. And plan for today is do that, and I have some steak I want to cook for lunch along with some peppers. That should be pretty good. We'll get the fire going right away just to get a hot pot of water for some tea, and after that go straight to building. Alright, very simple and quick fire lighting method for winter. I use a platform like this to take me off of the snow. That helps with the fire. I'll use a twig bundle. All the bigger ends are at that end, smaller end that end. Go ahead, break that off, and what I want to use is all the finer ends here. And then, not very fancy, but works great. Use my lighter. Throw the flame right underneath in the twigs. Now these twigs I gathered under like a bigger cover of evergreens, so they are relatively dry. They have some frost on them. That's why it takes a bit of time for them to catch. But once you get them to catch, then you're good. And I'll throw the bigger ends crisscross. Let that build up a little bit. Need some oxygen. Throw some more smaller twigs. There you go. First, it's going to create a really big flame, but that's good because my bigger wood has some snow on it, some frost, so you want enough heat to be able to melt and that snow and then dry the wood as well. Water's been boiling for a while now, so add a green tea pouch, and just gonna throw a bit of spruce boughs as well for extra vitamins. Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. This is a good combo, green tea and spruce boughs. Maybe I should market this. Spruce boughs add just a bit of a bush flavor. The green tea is already like a natural flavor. Alright, so here's where I'm at with the shelter. Not very far yet. So there's two ridge poles like you can see there. And on each side I got a pole going at about a 45. I want to build a wall of logs on this side of the tree, keep that side open as a door, and then once I have that blocked off, I'll basically add poles along this ridge pole, stack them up until I get a lean-to on that side, and then do a lean-to as well on this side. This is a highly energy demanding shelter. It's not really a quick survival shelter. It's more of a long-term bushcraft, work on it type of thing, but it's a work in progress, so should be an interesting build. So keep building. just gonna Canadian jam knot this in so that this pole can hold the wall. I'm gonna do the same thing on that side with the other pole and build my wall all along in between there. Well, just gonna eat my steak. I forgot to bring an actual plate, so I'm eating it out of my pot lid. So I finished one of the side walls. There will be in the in the end there will be actually 4 walls. But now I got that one done, and then I got a couple poles on this side, and then I got a couple poles on that side as well. And I've put down 2 logs. They're 5 feet apart. So next step will be to put some poles across just to do a quick raised bed. Keep the body off the ground in the winter. Let's see from the other side. What I could do too right now is put a tarp and actually build a super shelter. So that might be what I'll do in the meantime before I get it all finished. Alright, just leaving the shelter now. Got my backpack on, got my snowshoes on, ready to go. hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would have liked to stay longer, but unfortunately I have some other stuff that I gotta go do today. But this won't be a series, so I promise I'll be back with part 2 of the of this series. It'll probably be called something like building a bushcraft base camp. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day, and please like and share. I'd really appreciate it. And again, yeah, have a good day. Bye guys.